So yeah, we got turkeys now. A friend of mine from our church had a friend who had some turkeys and they wanted to get rid of them, and asked if I wanted 2 toms and 2 hens. So put together this little makeshift cage here for them, and I can just slide them straight down the run, you know, kind of like I do with my chicken tractors, till I can get something a little bit more suitable for them. If this works out well, I might just keep it. There's some beautiful birds. This guy right here, puff up for us. Oh, you're pretty. That one back there is a tom too, but he hasn't been fanning out much at all. And that's pretty. Another little water line coming in right there. I'm gonna give you guys a video on my irrigation system. How I got it set up. All of my animals run off of the same water line. My garden beds are handled off the same water line, and the entire thing's set up for less than, say, 100. You could do 100 foot for under $100. For every 100 foot you want to add to that, you'd have to add another $20 to it. But you could probably, well, I don't know how long it would work, but it hasn't failed me yet, and I'm dealing with probably 150, 200 yards, or maybe 100 yards. Thanks for watching. Click like, please share, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do.